Hi ladies, this is extra practice on graphing lines using Delta Math. So this line, y equals -1/5 x minus 2, is already in slope-intercept form. So our slope is -1/5, and my intercept, m is what we use for slope, b is what we use for intercept, -2. So we know the intercept is going to be right here, -2. But what does a slope of -1/5 look like? Is it steep? Is it shallow? Well, we know the larger the number, the steeper the slope. So actually, we know this is going to be a shallow slope. Will it be increasing or will it be decreasing? When I say increasing, I mean as I move from left to right, it goes up. Decreasing is if I move from left to right, it goes down. Well, it's going to be decreasing because it's negative. How much? Well, we have a rise of 1 and a run of 5. So I want to go over 1, but I want to go down, and I want to go to the right 5. So again, I went down 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's going to be my next point. All I need is 2 points, and I have a line. And that's how I do that one. So here's another one. 1/2 x plus 7, intercept of 7, slope of 1/2. It's positive, so it's increasing. I go up 1 over 2, and that's my line. Okay, 2/3 x minus 4. Minus 4 is my y-intercept down here. 2/3, is that steep or shallow? Well, if the slope m, the absolute value of it is less than 1, so like 3/4, 2/3, 1/2, all of those are less than 1. It's going to be what I'm calling shallow, not steep. So this is going to be shallow. I go up to the right 3, and that's how I do that. Okay, let's find another one. Okay, 5/4. Is that greater than 1? Yes, it's greater than 1, so it's going to be slightly steep. I find my y-intercept, put it down there. 5/4 means up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it almost looks like it has a slope of 1. It's a slope of slightly more than 1. And that's my answer. Okay, ladies, good luck. The rest of these videos are to help you with skills that we practiced on our last problem set. So all of these videos, if you're good on the skill, you do not have to watch it all the way. But if you get stuck, go back and watch all of these videos before you go to the problem that you got stuck on to help you. Okay, good luck. Send me an email if you get stuck.